All right, gang. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the full HTML output setting from GRT for email. And this one's not going to be that useful, so you're probably never going to have to use it. But there are a couple of cases where it comes up, so I'm going to cover those right here. Let's check it out. So here we are on the GRT for email page. I've gone ahead and used the settings box. I've set up my my GRT email editor. I've got a little demo email in here for us to use. And now here's the money shot. Step 3, we want to switch the email type to full HTML. We're going to go ahead and click generate my email. It spits out a bunch of code. We don't care about that. We just click copy email code. And now the one email provider, the one email campaign provider I've encountered where the full HTML is the best answer to use is AWeber. All right, AWeber is a little different than all the other ones. They rolled out different editor functions later in life than a lot of these like the ConvertKits or MailChimps of the world. So they have a custom HTML editor. So they have some old stuff and some new stuff. This is actually part of their old stuff, but I think it works the best of all their things. So in the full HTML editor, you just delete everything and then paste the contents from GRT for email. And there you go, boom, there's your email. This is actually probably easier than all the other campaign providers. It just happens to work out this way, but like you don't have to delete anything, you don't have to move anything out of your way. Like it is just perfect the second you paste it in there. So I do like that. And then you can send this out now to your email list and they will see all of these great styles, the call out, the button, drop cap, subheadings, all that good stuff, salutation and signature. All of these styles will be conveyed in your emails if you use GRT for email to send your stuff through AWeber. And you cannot do this with AWeber alone. You couldn't create elements like this on your own. You couldn't do this with their WYSIWYG editor, which is a whole nother can of worms. I don't even bother with that because it's so bad. But I'm just saying, this is the best way to get sophisticated styles in your AWeber-based emails, okay? And the full HTML option, I'm not going to show a demonstration of this because I don't have anything on hand, but full HTML is also useful if you are one of these people who uses like Mailgun or Mandrill or SendGrid or Postmark or something like that. If you send emails through these more ground level email services, so like you got ground level foundational email services, that's Mailgun and some of these others, Mandrill, SendGrid, Postmark. And then above them is a more higher service layer, which is where email campaign providers like ConvertKit and MailChimp exist. This is what I interface with, MailChimp, ConvertKit, stuff like that. I use those. But some of these base layer things require, like if you want to send emails through them, you can do that and actually achieve really high deliverability. But you are responsible then for 100% of the HTML output of your emails. And so this full HTML output covers that use case. Okay, so if you're really hardcore and you send out emails like that you run your own kind of like your own service provider, so to speak, through Mailgun or something similar, then you will need to use the full HTML full HTML output for your emails. But then then GRT for email plus whatever your other solution is means you've got this great editor. Now you have a WYSIWYG editor to craft your emails, and then you got this super easy way, boom, generate your output instantly, and you're good to go. So like this is a major enhancement to your workflow if that's the way you choose to do your emails. And like I said, if you use AWeber, this is absolutely beautiful because you just full HTML, generate it, copy it, paste it in, and boom, there's your email right there. All right, thanks for watching.